YouTube Shorts is the new big thing, and YouTube Shorts now can be monetized. Well, very soon. But you'll need 10 million views over 90 days, so you need to start making videos now. Here are some tips to get some fantastic views and make the most out of the short form content. After all, you need to keep them hooked and watching over and over and over again to rack up those views. Loop. This is a powerful thing. You need to kind of semi-trick your viewer into watching a video for longer than the full length of the content. You'll see this. Some people give tips and they'll kind of hesitate and it'll loop round to the start of the video.
And that was probably the best thing that could have ever happened to me. I was hooked from day one. Literally, like most people, it takes hundreds of videos before you get like one view. And somehow the very first video I uploaded at 11 got like 20,000 views. And then I was just like, oh, I fell in love, and I've been hooked ever since. And that was probably the best thing that could have ever happened to me.
If you're watching via the viewing experience, you've kind of experienced 120% of the video without realizing it, especially if you loop it and you cut it properly. This helps the algorithm, as it seems that you are watching and retaining. It gets you 2 or 3 views. And if you make it seamless enough, people will continue to watch. Last frame. To help with the looping experience, you need to make sure that the last frame of your video isn't black. What I do in my editing software is I do the whole video and then I jump back 1 frame, so therefore the last frame is a part of the video, because some editing softwares like to add an additional frame, which is annoying because they'll go through the loop, black frame, and then it breaks the human brain and it makes you realize that that was the end of the video. Especially if it's looping and you've got a blank screen, you know that that's the end of the video and you're watching it over and over again. If you put all of the video in, jut it back 1 frame, so therefore there's never a black frame within the video, then it's constantly the video on loop, and therefore it tricks the viewer into believing the video is just continuing. Make it short. Now this is the biggest tip I can give you. Most people who are flicking through like the short form content are looking for just that, short. They're not looking for a minute-long video unless it is a tutorial. They're just there to, I tend to find 7 seconds is a good one, up to 13 seconds at most, unless you've got some form of intrigue that really pulls them out. Maybe they're watching like a what's in the box? What's in the box? In a box! Or even those old GIFs that you may have seen on Facebook, you know, yes, boomer.
Okay, boomer.
Where basically they're just hacking at a tree and you're waiting for the tree to collapse, but the tree never collapses, but you're sucking into watching it for ages. Those can do fantastically well, but otherwise keep them short and hope that they loop. After all, you want to keep them in and then have them join your community. I did an experiment where I uploaded 1 YouTube short every day and wow, did it grow the YouTube channel.